leopards and tigers?
Yeah.
Yes.
When?
Many. I already asked everything.
My profession is wildlife photography, so I am always traveling.
Profession is only wildlife photographer.
పండగ మంచిగా అబ్బా కలిసినే మస్తు अच्छे తీసిండా ఎంత తీసిండు